Hi everyone. As travel experts, we've put together a detailed guide on how, where, and when to buy the cheapest flight tickets. Stick around until the very end. It's packed with fascinating money-saving secrets you won't want to miss. Let's face it, flight tickets can be the most expensive part of your trip. But what if I told you there are proven strategies to slash those costs dramatically? Today, we're breaking down the science of cheap flights so you can spend less on airfare and more on your actual adventure. Ready to become a flight booking pro? First up, the how. Be flexible with dates. This is huge. Use flexible dates options on search engines. Flying midweek, twos, weds, or during the shoulder season is almost always cheaper. Even shifting your trip by a day or two can save you hundreds. Go incognito, clear cookies. Airlines track your searches. They might subtly increase prices if you keep checking the same flight. Always search in incognito mode or clear your browser's cookies. Consider a VPN. Sometimes flight prices vary by country. A VPN can make it look like you're searching from a different location, potentially showing you lower fares. Experiment with countries that have lower average incomes. Set price alerts. Tools like Google Flights or Skyscanner can notify you when prices drop for your desired route. It's like having a personal flight assistant. Next, the where. 1. Use flight comparison sites. Start with aggregators like Skyscanner, Google Flights, Kayak, or Momondo. They scan hundreds of airlines and travel agencies. Always compare across a few of these. 2. Check airline websites directly. Once you find a good deal on an aggregator, always cross-check it on the airline's official website. Sometimes they offer exclusive deals or slightly lower prices without extra fees. 3. Explore Airfares and deal sites. Sites like Secret Flying or Scott's Cheap Flights hunt for unbelievably low airfares or flash sales. These are rare, but can offer insane savings if you're quick. Finally, the when. 1. The Goldilocks zone for booking. For international flights, booking 2, 8 months out is generally ideal. For domestic 1, 4 months. Too early and prices aren't set. Too late and demand drives them up. 2. Best days to book and fly. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Saturday are often the cheapest days to fly. Booking usually sees a dip in prices late Tuesday or early Wednesday. Avoid flying on Fridays and Sundays. 3. Avoid peak seasons. This might seem obvious, but traveling during off-peak or shoulder seasons, like late spring or early autumn, not only gets you cheaper flights, but also fewer crowds and often better weather. Think May or September instead of July. Want us to feature your comment and dive deeper into your tip or favorite location? Just drop it in the comments below this video. We'll review all your suggestions and highlight the best ones in our next episode. So remember, be flexible, use the right tools, and time your booking perfectly. Implement these strategies, and you'll be amazed at how much you can save. Here's a bonus tip. Always consider flying into a smaller regional airport near your destination, then taking ground transport. It's often much cheaper. Before you go, leave your best travel tip or favorite destination in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Want us to feature your comment and dive deeper into your tip or favorite location? Just drop it in the comments below this video. We'll review all your suggestions and highlight the best ones in our next episode. And don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more expert travel tips and destination guides coming soon. Thanks for watching and happy travels. See you in the next video.